Hello friends, welcome back. In this particular video, we are going to understand a very important Excel tool which is filter. In order to make you understand, I have got this data. In this data, you may see the name of the candidate, contact number, qualification, course, location and email ID is being mentioned. Now, how to apply filter in this data and why to apply a filter at all. Let's say if I want to get the name of all the candidates whose qualification is MCA, then I can simply apply a filter. So in order to do that, set your cursor anywhere within the data, go to data and apply filter. You simply need to click over here, which is filter. You may see filter has been applied. Now in the qualification, I want to know who have done MCA. So I'm going to qualification. Now here it's select all, click on select all so that it may deselect, and then select the one which you want to get the result. So here I am selecting MCA and click on OK. So here you may see that all the candidates who have done MCA are listing. Now where you have applied the filter, you may see a slightly different symbol as compared to the other columns where filter has not been applied. In a single column, you can apply one condition and more than one condition also. Let's say I'm going to qualification. Apart from MCA, I want to know all the candidates who have done BCA as well. So I'm selecting BCA. Okay, and here you may see MCA as well as BCA are coming. Now I want to know all the candidates who have done qualification, whose qualification is MCA or BCA and their location is Delhi. So I will go to this location field, and from here let's say I'm selecting Delhi. Okay, and here you may see all the candidates whose qualification is BCA or MCA and they are from Delhi are coming. Now how to remove this filter? You need to click over here and there is this option of clear filter from qualification. Qualification, it's taking the field name, so simply click over here and filter is going to be removed. So this is how filter works. Now before applying the filter, there is a very important aspect that need to be in your mind. Here I am removing the filter and let me create a complete blank row. So I am creating a blank row in order to demonstrate one very important aspect, and I'm going to set my cursor over here. I'm going to apply filter. So I have applied the filter and now I'm going to, let's say, go to qualification. Now here you may see only 4 options are coming. Let me select the MCA and you will see here 2 MCAs are coming because the filter has been applied in the above portion only. The portion after the complete blank row, the filter has not been applied. So you have to be very careful while applying the filter in this kind of data. Now in order to apply filter properly in this kind of data, you will have to do the selection of the data from the column end. Here you may see A, B, C, D, which is representing column. You need to select the data from here like this and go to data and apply filter. Now when you are going to apply filter in this particular manner, it's going to avoid the blank row. And here, in order to demonstrate, let me show you. I'm going to qualification and I'm going to select MCA once again, and you may see the filter has been applied properly. Filter options are not limited to this. There are plenty more options which are available. In order to show you, let me go to qualification filter, and here you may see the option of text filter. Now under text filter there are 6 options which I am going to show you that what these options are for. However, in place of text filter you may see the option of number filter as well. So here I am going to, let's say, contacts, where you may see numbers are in abundance, so you may see the option of number filter. Now the question is how it determines whether text filter need to come or number filter need to become. In our data, if there are more text as compared to number, let's say more than 50%, then text filter option will come over here. However, the number of the total percentage of numbers, if it's more than 50%, then number filter option will come. However, it's not compulsory that if the text filter option is coming, you will not be able to apply a number filter. Even after that, you may go ahead and can apply a number filter. How you will do that? I'm going to show you that. But first of all, let me show you the text filter. So I'm going to qualification, going to text filter, and here it's coming equals, going to equals, and here I'm mentioning, let's say, MCA. So you will see this MCA option is coming. It is equivalent to, like, we have selected the MCA checkbox, it is equivalent to that only. Let me show you few more examples. Let's say I don't want to see MCA, so I will go to opposite of it, which is does not equal. I will go to does not equal and give MCA. So you will see apart from MCA everything is coming. Now here you may see MCA pursuing is also coming, but let me tell you that MCA pursuing is not equal to MCA. The MCA word is there, of course, but pursuing word is also there, so it is not equal to MCA. Let's say I want to see all the candidates who have done MCA, and I want to see all the candidates who have done who are pursuing MCA as well, or let's say MCA dropout, means MCA word is there. So I will not go to equal to option, rather I will go to contains options, means all the candidates who are containing the word which is MCA, means in their qualification MCA word is there. It may be MCA, it may be MCA pursuing, it may be MCA dropout also. So click on OK. You may see all the options are coming which contains MCA. This option is very useful. Let's say I am removing this option. Let's say I want to see all the email IDs which are of Yahoo. Now in the email ID column option, you may see all the email IDs are mentioned, but it's not going to contain only Yahoo. So equal to option is not applicable here. What I'm going to do, I will go to text filter and will go to contain and will select Yahoo. And you will see all the email IDs are coming which are of Yahoo. Let me remove this. Now opposite to that, I don't want to see all those candidates whose qualification is MCA or maybe MCA pursuing, means MCA word is there. I don't want to see those options. So opposite to this, I will not go to contain, rather I will go to does not contain and will select MCA. And here you will see apart from MCA all the other options are coming. Let me remove this. Now what are the other options? Which is begins with and ends with. Now in order to demonstrate this properly, let me go to this first column which contains name. So I want to see all the candidates whose name is starting with the alphabets which is M. So I will go here, go to text filter, will go to begins with and will select which is M. So here you may see all the candidates whose name is starting with M are coming. Let's say I want to see all the candidates whose name ending with Y. So I will go to ends with and will select, let's say, Y, or rather type, click OK, and here you may see all the names whose names are ending with Y are coming. If I've got multiple conditions, let's say all those candidates whose name is starting with, let's say, A and ending with E, so I can do that. I will go to text filter and will go to custom filter. Now in the custom filter all these options are coming, means those options which we have applied, they will come. So let me go to custom filter and here you will see, first of all you will have to give the criteria which is coming as equal, but no, my first condition is begins with. So here I will go to begins with option. Okay, here I will select, let's say, A, and here I'm going to select ends with option, and here I'm going to select E. means all those name which is starting with A and ending with E. Okay, only one name is there, which is Ananta Shri. Let me try another one. We'll go to custom filter once again. So all those names which are starting with A and let's say end with again A. Okay, so you may see all the names are coming which is starting with A and ending with A as well. Okay, so let me remove this particular filter which I have applied. So similarly you can apply multiple conditions. Now I have told you that if you have got text filter option which is coming over here and you want to apply a number filter because you have got numbers also. So how to do that? Here let me type a number which is, let's say, 450 or let's say 550. Okay, now here you may see text filter option is coming, number filter option is not coming. So I am going to custom filter in order to apply a number filter. Now here it's coming equals to, here you will see an option of greater than is coming, which is a number filter option, and here I am typing, let's say, 300. So here you will see, so here you can see it has given me the desired result. So hopefully these options are clear to you. Let me show you a few examples of number filter as well. Here you may see the data which is appropriate for number filter options. So I'm going over here, go to data and apply filter. Now in the sales option, you may see number filter option is coming directly because number is there in abundance. So in the number filter, first option is coming as equals to. In a number filter, it is not that useful. However, it depends. Many times in the column option, let's say if division is mentioned and it is mentioned in, let's say, 1, 2, 3, first division or second or third division, in that particular kind of data, it is very useful. However, in this kind of data, in order to show you, let me go to equals and we'll go to, let's say, 1400 119, and here that equal to data is coming. Similarly, if I will go to does not equal and will give the number, all those the number will come which is not equal to that particular number. Now the useful data is like greater than. I will go to greater than and let's say I am giving 45,000. I want to see all those sales which is greater than 45,000. So I have given 45,000 and you may see all those candidates name are selected or has been given here whose sales is more than 45,000. Similarly, if I will go to greater than and equal to, then it will consider 45,000 as well and greater than 45,000 as well. Then there is this option of less than. So in less than, let's say I have given 32,000. So you may see all those options are coming, which is all those sales options are coming which is less than 32,000. Similarly, if I will give less than or equal to, then it will consider less than 32,000 and equal to 32,000 as well. Okay, let's move to next option. Here it's coming between, which is very important. So in between, let's say I have selected, I want to see all those sales which is in between 40,000 to 45,000, and here there are only two entries which is in between 40 to 45,000. Now let's say here is this option of top 10. So let me go to top 10 in order to make you understand. Here top 10 items. Top 10 items means top 10 values. So here you may see these are the top 10 values which is coming. Now there is another option. In order to make you understand, first of all let me show you another important thing. So here I'm going to select this data from top to bottom and you may see this count which is coming as 35. Now this is very important. In a count this is 35. Now what is the 10% of 35? The 10% of 35 is 3.5. Now why I have made you understand this, you will understand. So let me go to number filter I'm going to top 10. Rather than item, I'm selecting percent. Now how it works, it counts. So the counting was 35. Now it's going to take the percent, let's say 10% of that particular count numbers. So 35, 10% of 35 is 3.5. So it's going to show me top 3 values like this. Now if you don't want to see the top 10% or top 10 items, you may go for the selection of bottom 10% or bottom 10 items as well. Let's say I have selected bottom 10%. So similar formula will be applied. The total count was 35, 10% of 35 is 3.5. So 3 bottom values will be shown over here. Fine. Next thing is, let's say I'm going to do the selection of this data once again, and you may see the average, which is 45,113. So if I want to see all those numbers or sales value which is greater than this particular average, then you may go to this option of above average. And if you want to see the below average, then you may select the below average option as well. So this is how filter is being applied. This is very useful and very easy as well. Now we are not done with filter. There is another option of advanced filter that we are going to understand in the next video. This is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.